Good morning, student. Today I start for trigonometry chapter, and this is a very important chapter for class 10, and it is a scoring topics. And I explain for both medium Hindi and English. I explain some theory, and again I explain some example. Let's start for trigonometry chapter. Trigonometry means trigonometry three words: tri plus gono plus metry. Three words. Tri means three. And gono means side. And metry means measurement. Metry means measurement. Trigonometry is three words. Trigonometry. Tri means three, gono means side, metry means measurement. But anyone ask what is used for trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of relation between sides and angle. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the relation. Anyone ask what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angle of triangle. Anyone ask what is trigonometry? Means the study of relationship between sides and angle of triangle. Means any triangle, in any triangle, relation created for sides and angle, this is called trigonometry. Then ट्रिग्नोमेट्री उसे कहते हैं जिसमें हमें साइड्स और एंगल के रिलेशनशिप के बारे में पढ़ना होता है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री उसे कहते हैं जिसमें हमें साइड्स एंड एंगल के रिलेशनशिप के बारे में पढ़ना होता है, उसे हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री कहते हैं. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियो. 6 trigonometry ratio: sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. 6 trigonometry ratio: sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. One by one I explain. First I explain for sin. First explain for sin. First you draw one right angle triangle. Triangle A, B, C. This is a 90 degree and this is a base and this is called hypoperpendicular. And this is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse formula is hypotenuse equals square, perpendicular square plus base square. If you find hypotenuse, under root of square root of perpendicular plus base square. If sometimes questions given hypotenuse, you find out perpendicular. Hypotenuse and base given, you find perpendicular. Sometimes perpendicular and base, you find hypotenuse. How can you find? Only for this formula is hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse equals to square root of perpendicular square plus base square. Just here I give example. Hypotenuse is given fiber, H value is given fiber, and B value is given 3. Then how can find perpendicular? Perpendicular is what to find? How can find perpendicular? Perpendicular is what? Then how can find hypotenuse square equals to square root of perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse value is given 5 and perpendicular square is not value perpendicular. Base square is what? 9. Squaring both sides. Then how can find 5 into 5 25 and perpendicular square plus 9. 25 minus 9 perpendicular square. Then perpendicular square equals to 16. Then perpendicular square is what? Square root of under 16 means 4. This type of applicable this formula. Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. This is only applicable for right angle triangle. Other triangle not valid. This is right angle triangle A, B, C. If this is a base and this is a hypotenuse and this is a perpendicular. Then first type sine. Sine, I find sine C first. Sine C formula is side. Ratio is side opposite angle of C by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Miss question is given which angle you find? C angle find. C. This C angle you find. This C angle opposite to side. This is a I mentioned for this is a H and this is a B and this is a P small p. Okay. This C angle opposite side of angle C. Means this C, this two is adjacent. Adjacent means just near. And opposite this angle, this side is AB is opposite for C. Then here what? AB. And hypotenuse always AC. In triangle, which side is bigger? This is a hypotenuse. Then hypotenuse never change. Then hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Here sine C equals to AB equals to what given? Perpendicular. Perpendicular. And AC is what given? Hypotenuse. Here triangle ABC given. B is a right angle triangle and this BC is a base and this AB is perpendicular and this AC is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is a big size for triangle. Okay, this is a length for bigger than other two sides. Sin C equals to what ratio formula? Side opposite angle of C. This is a C angle and this side is opposite and this just you think here A, B and C. If find C is a C what which point are adjacent? A also adjacent, B also adjacent. Okay, but here C. What is opposite of C? Then this is a opposite of C. Okay, then if near city is near, then adjacent. Just in front of, then this is a opposite. Then here sin C equals to side opposite angle of C. This C and this is side is opposite and hypotenuse. Sin C equals to AB by AC. AB by AC is perpendicular by hypotenuse. AB is where what? Hypotenuse. And AC is what? AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. If you go for sin A, But this is a change sum. If sine A means side opposite angle A, angle of A, and same hypotenuse. Here, sine angle A, I find this short figure, I find this. Then this angle, opposite side of angle, side what? BC. Then here write sine C equals to BC, because this angle opposite side for this, and y hypotenuse is what? BAC. BC is what? Perpendicular. And AC is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, sine C. Then sine formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is if angle change, then perpendicular change, and hypotenuse never change. Okay, when you find hypotenuse is fixed. But if you change for angle, perpendicular is perpendicular and base are changed. Then sine formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and here if angle is A, then perpendicular is BC. If angle measured for C, perpendicular is AB. If angle you find A, perpendicular is BC, because perpendicular side is opposite of angle. Then next I go for cos. Okay, lead cosine. This is a short form for cos. Same one triangle you draw, right angle triangle. You find A. This is a B and this is a C. According to question, if this is a 90 degree and this you find BC is a base and this is a perpendicular. Sorry, this is a hypotenuse and this is a perpendicular. Perpendicular. Okay, this cosine form ratio is what? Cos ratio is what? Cos ratio is adjacent. If I find cos C, then here adjacent side of C, adjacent, you find cos formula is side adjacent to, if here angle I find C, then side adjacent to angle C by hypotenuse. Okay, cos equals to, cos ratio is side adjacent to angle C by hypotenuse. Okay, then side adjacent what? I told now, this C is adjacent is this BC and adjacent is AC. But here hypotenuse, I told hypotenuse never change. Then only what adjacent? BC, right? BC and hypotenuse is what? AC. BC is what called? Base. And AC is what called? Hypotenuse. If cos C formula is what? Base by hypotenuse. Base you put small b and hypotenuse put h. Cos C formula is Cos formula is base by hypotenuse. If here change that angle, I find first C angle. Here I change angle cos A. Then cos A, this side is a adjacent side. Okay, means here AB by BC. Means base and perpendicular depend upon angle. Which base is with adjacent side to angle and perpendicular is just opposite. If you find angle A, this is a perpendicular line and this is a base line. Here AB is a base and BC is a what? AC is a what? Hypotenuse. Means cos formula is base by hypotenuse depend upon angle. If angle is what is base? Base means just adjacent side of angle. Which angle you find? Side just as adjacent. This is a base and just opposite to this angle, this side for this is a perpendicular. Okay. Next go for tan. Again you draw one right angle triangle A, B, C. Okay. Here hypotenuse and this is a base and this is a perpendicular. And this I have find out tangent. Tangent is short form is tan. I find tan C, this angle. What is side opposite to angle C divide side adjacent to angle C. Tan C formula is side opposite to angle C. This C opposite for angle. This C opposite side for this AB. And side adjacent to angle C. What adjacent? Two adjacent. Base and hypotenuse. But I only one adjacent because this is a hypotenuse. Then BC. AB is what? Perpendicular. AB is what? Perpendicular. And BC is what? Base. Then tan formula is what? Tan formula, tan C, yeah, any tan formula is what? Perpendicular by base. This is a tan formula. Perpendicular by base. If go for different angle, here I measure A. If here tan A go na, here write tan A. Then that time change this angle. Then this is a base and this BC is a perpendicular. Then here because this angle opposite is what? BC. Then here write tan A equals to BC by AB. Because this time is changed. Here this tan A, this angle is opposite side of what? BC. And this is a adjacent. Then AB is base and BC is a perpendicular. Formula is same. Tan formula is always perpendicular by base. But depend upon angle who is perpendicular and whose side is base. Okay, but hypotenuse never change. First decide which is hypotenuse. This is a fix. Only change for according to angle perpendicular and base. Which adjacent side base and opposite side just for angle perpendicular. Then next go for cosec. Cosec. This is the fourth. Okay. Just you draw one figure. Here A. Any mention you name A, B, C. Here same 90 degree. Here BC is a base and this is the hypotenuse and this is a perpendicular. Okay. Then cosec is just reverse for sine. Okay. Then here cosec formula is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse and just side opposite of angle C. Okay. Hypotenuse is what? AC. And side opposite angle of C. Yes, C. Side opposite angle is what? AB. His formula is what? Hypotenuse plus y perpendicular. Just reverse. Okay. Means H by P. Short form cosec. Hypotenuse y perpendicular. But the sine formula is what? Sine formula is here cosec. Cosec means hypotenuse y side opposite of angle C. Hypotenuse is what? AC. And side opposite of angle what? C. AB. AC equals to hypotenuse and side opposite angle of C is perpendicular. Then cosec formula is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Then if sine formula is what? Sine formula is what? Sine formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. But cosec formula is what? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Means sine inverse of 1 by cosec. This is a formula. Sine equals to 1 by cosec. You remember the sine formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cosec formula is what? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Means sine just 1 by cosec. Then next go for sec. Next is secant. This is a fifth number. Secant is just you draw one triangle, right angle triangle A, B, C. Okay. Then this is a base and this is a hypotenuse. And this is a perpendicular. Okay. Then what the secant formula is? Secant is short form for sec. Okay. Secant is short form for sec. Then what is sec formula is? Hypotenuse by adjacent side of angle C. If here A, hypotenuse adjacent side of angle A. Then what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is here AC. Hypotenuse here is what? AC. And adjacent side of angle C is what? BC. AC is what? Hypotenuse. And BC is what? Base. Means sec formula is hypotenuse by base. Okay. Then here cos formula is what? Cos formula is base by hypotenuse. But sec formula is what? Hypotenuse by base. Means cos equals to 1 by sec. Okay, cos equals to 1 by sec. Means sec formula is hypotenuse by base, but cos formula is base by hypotenuse. Means cos is just inverse for sec. Then if here angle changes, if here finds A, but if here find A angle, A, sec A, just change little, only change, this is A, then this is in front adjacent side. Means here you write BC. Here just you in front. Hypotenuse is what? AC. Hypotenuse never change. Hypotenuse is AC fixed. But here only base change. Because if you find A, means adjacent side just A is AB, not BC. Then AC by AB. Means just this is a hypotenuse and this is a base. Okay. But if you find for C angle, then only for base is what? BC, and hypotenuse is both time fixed AC only. Okay, then sec formula is what? Hypotenuse by base. Then next go for cot. Sixth number is a cot. Okay, then again you draw one triangle A B C. Okay, then this is a hypotenuse and this is a perpendicular, and this is a base. Okay, then here cot C equals to side adjacent of angle C by opposite side of angle C. Okay, just side adjacent side of C, what? BC. And what? Opposites A, B. BC is what? Base. And AC is what? Perpendicular. Okay, then cot C equals to what? Cot C equals to base by perpendicular. Okay, then cot C's formula is what? Base by perpendicular. But tan formula is what? Tan formula is perpendicular by base. Means cot formula is base by perpendicular, here tan formula is perpendicular by base. Means tan equals to 1 by cot. Yeah, cot equals to 1 by tan. Okay, just reverse. Here this C angle, I find cot C, then this is a perpendicular and this is a base. If you find cot A, but just difference, if cot A you find, then this is a opposite angle side and this is a adjacent side. Then cot A equals to base is what? AB, and perpendicular is what? BC. Just little change. Then same, AB here is perpendicular, AB is base and BC is a perpendicular. Same formula, but only depend upon angle which is base and which is perpendicular. Okay, then cot formula is what? Base is by perpendicular. You triangle one draw. Okay, A B C. Okay, this is a base, here 90 degree, and this is a hypotenuse, and this is a perpendicular. Okay, this is a perpendicular. Then if perpendicular relation between hypotenuse, then sine formula is what? Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Means if relation perpendicular relation between hypotenuse, then come for sine. Sine equals to hypotenuse, I mark short form H, base is a short form B, and perpendicular is short form for P. Then sine is what? You relation between only hypotenuse and perpendicular, means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, cos formula is what? Cos formula is base by hypotenuse. Base, cos formula is cos equals to base by hypotenuse. Tan formula is what? First you relation this both, second you relation this both, third you relation only this both, because two only relation perpendicular and base. Then what tan formula is? Perpendicular by base. Okay, first perpendicular hypotenuse come relation between sine, hypotenuse base come relation between cos, and tan perpendicular base relation between tan. मीन्स दो के रिलेशन से हमें साइन मिलता है, परपेंडिकुलर एंड हाइपोटेनस के रिलेशन से. इफ साइन फॉर्मूला इज परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेनस, इफ कॉस फॉर्मूला इसमें परपेंडिकुलर की कोई नीड नहीं होती, इसमें दो ही का नीड होता है, हाइपोटेनस एंड बेस. दो रिलेशन बनाते हैं जब बेस एंड हाइपोटेनस से, तो कॉस बनता है, कॉस बनता है एंड सेक बनता है, क्योंकि सेक का फॉर्मूला भी होता है हाइपोटेनस बाय बेस. ओके, दिस टू जो है वो बनेगा हाइपोटेनस और बेस से, एंड कॉसेक हाइपोटेनस बाय परपेंडिकुलर, एंड साइन और कॉसेक बनेगा हाइपोटेनस एंड परपेंडिकुलर से, एंड टैन एंड कॉट बनेगा बेस एंड परपेंडिकुलर से. ओके, दिस थ्री फॉर्मूला, साइन परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेनस, कॉसेक हाइपोटेनस बाय परपेंडिकुलर, cos base by hypotenuse, sec just reverse hypotenuse by base, and tan perpendicular by base, and cot just reverse base by perpendicular. Means दो first two relation perpendicular hypotenuse से sin and cosec से, cos and sec hypotenuse and base, and tan and cot perpendicular and base. Okay, then I short trick, give one short trick how can learn this formula. Okay, if you learn, then because this formula only used, and then you got your any question for answers. Okay, then next topic I trick, and again next topic I explain for how. Here you write sin, cos, tan. Here write cosec, sec and cot. Sin is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. Tan is what? Perpendicular by base. Just reverse cosec. Hypotenuse by perpendicular, hypotenuse by base, and base by perpendicular. You write, this is a trick. Okay, you write P B P. Okay, here write H B. P से you write प्यारा, बेटा प्यारा, हेलो हेलो बोल. ओके, प्यारा बेटा प्यारा, हेलो हेलो बोल. अब पर प्यारा 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 बेटा प्यारा, हेलो हेलो बोल. दिस is come for sign. This is come for sign. this is come for cos, and this is come for tan. ओके, देन प्यारा बेटा प्यारा हलो हलो बोल। अब यहाँ पे प्यारा, ये ट्रिक कैसे लगाना है आपको, ये लेट कर लेना है कि प्यारा बेटा प्यारा हलो हलो बोल। अब ये हमेशा रटे रहना है। अब फर्स्ट वाला जो है P/H जो है वो साइन को डिनोट करेगा, सेकेंड जो होगा वो कॉस को होगा, एंड थर्ड जो होगा वो टैन को होगा। और जस्ट इसी का रिवर्स, जब हम अपोजिट जाएंगे, हाइपोटेनस बाई परपेंडिकुलर जाएंगे, हाइपोटेनस बाई बेस जाएंगे, परपेंडिकुलर बेस बाई परपेंडिकुलर जाएंगे, तो जस्ट रिवर्स हो जाएगा कॉसेक सेक। अगर आप 3 याद रखते हो साइन कॉस टैन का, तो 3 अपोजिट करके आप खुद निकाल सकते हो। तो ट्रिक हमारा है, आप ये अप्लीकेबल अगर कभी कभी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि कौन सा परपेंडिकुलर होगा, हाइपोटेनस होगा, कौन सा किस में बेस होगा, किस में हाइपोटेनस होगा, तो उसके लिए ये याद करने की ट्रिक है कि आप याद रखोगे कि प्यारा बेटा प्यारा हलो हलो बोल। इसमें फर्स्ट जो प्यारा और हलो आएगा वो हो जाएगा साइन का, सेकेंड जो बेस एंड हाइपोटेनस होगा वो हो जाएगा कॉस का, मतलब बेटा हलो हो जाएगा कॉस का, एंड प्यारा बोल अगेन हो जाएगा टैन का। इस तरह से आप बना सकते हो। नेक्स्ट हम ये बताएंगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक को कि हाउ कैन अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला फॉर क्वेश्चन। Then next go for one question. I give one question. Then how can apply for this formula for question. Okay. Let's start for question. If any doubt you comment and I ask your doubt, I show for your doubt and I explain for your doubt for comment. Okay. I just respond for your comment. First question is in triangle ABC, right angle at B. This is a triangle. Okay, ABC. Okay, ABC, right angle triangle, right angle at B point. This is a 90 degree. Then AB is given. AB value is given 24 centimeter. Okay. AB's value is given 24 centimeter and BC value is given 7 centimeter. Then how can find AC? This is a base, this is a perpendicular. Hypotenuse is what? Under square root of base square plus perpendicular square. Then base equals to what? 7 square. Perpendicular square is what? 24 into square. If 7 into 7, 49. 24 into 24, 576. Square root of 625. Here 25 into 25. Then find out the square root of 25 centimeter. Means this hypotenuse value is 25 centimeter. Okay. Then here perpendicular is given, base is given. Okay, then how? First you find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse formula is what? Perpendicular plus a square root of perpendicular plus base square. And base is equals to 7 into 7. Perpendicular is equals to 24 into 24. And then you 49 plus 576. Then you got answer 625. Then to square root of 625, 25 centimeter. Then here firstly find first A number question. A number question is to find out sine A. Okay, means this angle you find. Okay, sine A formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then perpendicular is what? Just opposite side of angle A. This is angle A. Then what opposite side? BC. Then BC by hypotenuse is what? AC. Then BC's value is what? 7. Hypotenuse value is what? 25. Means sine A formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. This angle perpendicular is 7 because perpendicular means just opposite and just side to opposite angle of A. Okay, and hypotenuse is 25. Then 7 by 25. Then second sin A after cos A. Cos A formula is base by hypotenuse. Base's value is what? Cos A. Cos A means this is a base, because base is what? Adjacent side of angle A. This A angle, this is the adjacent side of AB. Then here AB by hypotenuse is what? AC. Then AB value is what? 24, and BC and hypotenuse value is what? 25. Then go for tan. Tan formula is what? Perpendicular by base. Okay, then tan A. Tan A is perpendicular is what? 7 BC, and base is what? AB. Then because perpendicular is just opposite side of angle, then BC is opposite side of angle, base is what? Adjacent. Then BC is 7 and AB is what? 24. Here just sine is find, then you find here cosec A. Cosec A, what formula? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse is what? 25. Perpendicular A angle, perpendicular is what? Because this angle only, A angle. Perpendicular is this angle, A angle. Then perpendicular is what? 7 centimeter. Then 7. Sec A means hypotenuse by sec A formula is hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse is what? 25. Base is what? This angle base is 24. Sec A again cot A. Cot A equals to base by perpendicular. Cot A, this is a base 24. 24. Base is 24. Perpendicular is what? 7. Okay. Then here sine equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse means BC by 7 by 24, because if you find this angle, perpendicular is this, base is this. If you find this, perpendicular and base are changed. Then first question is find out A angle according to A angle. Then according to A angle, sine formula is perpendicular by base. And what is perpendicular? Just opposite side of angle A. Then here this is opposite angle side of what? BC is a perpendicular and AB is a base. Then sine formula perpendicular by hypotenuse 7 by 24. इसमें क्या करना है? इसमें करना क्या है? आपको बेस का भी वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 7 सेंटीमीटर और परपेंडिकुलर का भी वैल्यू दिया है 24 सेंटीमीटर. सबसे पहले आपको हाइपोटेनस निकालना है. हाइपोटेनस निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला होता है स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. फिर हाइपोटेनस आप निकाल लोगे तो हाइपोटेनस आपका आ जाएगा 25 सेंटीमीटर. अब हमें 6 को जो रेशियो होता है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का साइन कॉस टैन कॉसेक सेक एंड कॉट, उसका पता है फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी रिमेंबर है कि साइन का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, कॉस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है. अब यहाँ पे एंगल आ रहा है क्योंकि एक ही क्वेश्चन में आपको दो एंगल दिया है. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट में दिया है साइन ए. अब साइन ए का क्या फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा? साइन ए का ये साइन ए निकालना है तो इसके लिए ये इसका अपोजिट साइड जो होगा वो BC हो जाएगा और BC जैसे ही अपोजिट होगा तो ये हो जाएगा परपेंडिकुलर एंड ये हो जाएगा बेस दिस एंगल के लिए. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, साइन ए का निकालेंगे तो एडजेसेंट साइड जो हो जाएगा वो बेस हो जाएगा, अपोजिट साइड जो होगा वो परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा. अब फॉर्मूला हमें पता है, साइन ए का फॉर्मूला होता है परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेनस. यहाँ परपेंडिकुलर का वैल्यू क्या निकाला है 7 ऑलरेडी गिवन है और यहाँ हम हाइपोटेनस का वैल्यू निकाले 25. हियर कॉस का फॉर्मूला होता है बेस बाय हाइपोटेनस. अब ये बेस क्या हो गया 24 सेंटीमीटर तो यहाँ 24 एंड हाइपोटेनस क्या हो जाएगा 25. टैन का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है परपेंडिकुलर बाय बेस. अब टैन का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, टैन को परपेंडिकुलर. अब परपेंडिकुलर यहाँ क्या है 7 एंड बेस क्या है 24. सेम यहाँ कॉसेक का हम निकालेंगे. कॉसेक का क्या होता है, जस्ट रिवर्स होता है, यहाँ परपेंडिकुलर बाई हाइपोटेनस होता है, यहाँ हाइपोटेनस बाई परपेंडिकुलर होता है. अब 25/7. ओके, देन हाइपोटेनस 25 एंड 7. सेक इसका 25/24, कॉसेक कॉट का 24/7. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट गो फॉर सेकेंड नंबर. फर्स्ट सेकेंड according to angle C. Again you draw one right angle triangle and you write BC value is 7 centimeter and AB value is 24 centimeter. I find out AC value is first question is 25 centimeter. Question value is nothing change. Then this time you find a C angle. Miss second number question is sine C. Sine's formula is same, perpendicular by hypotenuse. But this angle, according to this angle, perpendicular is just opposite side of angle C. Then this is a perpendicular and this is a base. Because you find angle C. Then C, according to C, this is a perpendicular and this is a base. Then what perpendicular is 24? And base is what? Hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is same 24/25. Then another question is cos C. Cos C again base by hypotenuse. Then base is what? 7. Hypotenuse is what? 25. Then again tan C. Tan C is what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular, tan C perpendicular is what? 24. Base is what? 7. Say just reverse. Sine is what? 24/25 because perpendicular by hypotenuse. This time sine C. Then this is a perpendicular because opposite angle and opposite side of angle C is a perpendicular and adjacent side of C is a base. Okay. Then this time sine C equals to 24/25 because this is a perpendicular 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Here cos C is 7/25, tan C is 24/7. Just reverse. Cosec equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular 25/24. Sec C equals to hypotenuse by base, then 25/7, and tan C equals to base by perpendicular, then 7/24. Only difference what? Hypotenuse is fixed. Only change for perpendicular and base according to your angle. If angle C fine, then this is a perpendicular, this is a base. If you angle A find, this is a perpendicular and this is a base. First you remind just opposite angle of angle side, this is a perpendicular, and just as adjacent of side, this is called base. Okay. I hope all are understood for this trigonometry ratio and how can applicable this formula for question and how can learn for short trick for trigonometry ratio. I explained for both English and Hindi medium. If any doubt, please comment me and please like and subscribe my channel and please encourage me. And again this is a part 1 and again I go for next part 2 for trigonometry chapter for 10th standard.